Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing breakdown of this amazing track worldwide. So without any delay, let's jump right into the tutorial. For this track, we've kept the tempo at 95 BPM. Let's move on to the rhythm section. This consists of a kick, a clap, which has been layered with another clap and a snare, a hi-hat following a two-step pattern. Let's see how this rhythm goes like. Next is the bass. We've used an 808 on the hooks here, which goes like this. And also, let's hear it along with the drums. And for the intro, a bass guitar has been used. Moving on to the melody section. In the melody section, some chords have been played. And these chords are complemented with the main guitar melody. Some strings pads to fill the ambiance. And some textures as the final topping. Let's hear how these sound all together. Amazing. And finally, some crash effects. And a vocal shot completing the FX section. Here we're done with the elementation. Now let's hear the track all along with the vocals.
Show mercy on it.
बिल्लो हीरे जड़ियां सविज ने कड़ियां है जर्मन राइड बिल्लो नथिंग टू हाइड बिल्लो टालियां ने जुत्तियां है पौंदियां ने कुत्तियां रशियन ने असला नवेड़दा है मसला है फिर दाओ लभदा बहाने गब्बरू ता देसी यार कने गब्बरू ता देसी यार कने गब्बरू ता देसी यार कने ओ यारा ते अग लगड़ी जवानियां है जड़ी नाले माल साडा बिल्लो अफगानियां है कल सारी कैश इन हैंड दी शराब चक्की फिरदे आ आयरलैंड दी नी लीड़ा लत्ता चट्टा ते फ्रांस दा ही पाया की किन्ने दा ते किन्ने दा नी हिसाब जानी लाया जान यारां दियां जाने गब्बरू ता देसी यार कने गब्बरू ता देसी यार कने गब्बरू ता देसी यार कने